Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads.
I want to be a police officer when I grow up.
I don't think that's a good idea. You should reconsider your options.